They call it the town under one roof. But the real adventure begins long before you see the skyline. To get to Alaska's most mysterious seaside escape, you have to navigate one of the most dramatic transit corridors in the Great North. Our journey starts in Anchorage, and getting to the gateway to Prince William Sound is a destination in itself. Whether you take the iconic Alaska Railroad, hop on a guided motorcoach, or choose to self-drive the scenic Seward Highway for total flexibility. To reach the quirky mountain-rimmed town of Whittier, every traveler must pass through the Anton Anderson Memorial Tunnel, the longest highway tunnel in North America, shared by both cars and trains on a strict one-way schedule. Once in Whittier, we're boarding the legendary Phillips 26 Glacier Cruise. It's named for the staggering concentration of ice, where you will witness at least 26 named glaciers. Along the way, we'll pass by towering waterfalls and bustling wildlife colonies. From sea otters and harbor seals to the massive Steller sea lions basking on the rocks. A fresh, hot lunch and drinks are included to keep you warm on the water. For more details on transport options and how to book, please check the description below. But now, I'm stepping away to let you experience the silence and the scale of the ice for yourself. Enjoy the view, and I let the glaciers do the talking.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for joining us. We'll have everybody fed here in about 30, 40 minutes.
Live primarily in the ocean. They have flippers for their back, so they don't have feet. But they lay on their back 90% of the day. So when we're like
several pigeon guillemots.
Nee, ich habe gebissen, 3 Tage altes Paket hier, weißt du, wo wir Montag gekauft haben.
Hier massiert.